Hello everyone, this is problem 68 on section 7.7 in the calculus for scientists and engineers. For a sec there I forgot the title of the book. So on problem 68 it's rather simple to solve. You just need simple trigonometric functions. Don't get thrown off by the equation that's in the problem. So for this problem, we're finding out what Sag angle theta is. So we're finding the angle of this. And apparently there's a climber who's holding it right here, and we have to find the theta. So, okay, so one way we can find theta is by cosine. So we do cosine of theta, and then we do 50 over 101 over 2, because cosine is adjacent. So what's adjacent is the 50, and the 101 over 2, that's your hypotenuse. The trick way, I don't know if you guys know, is to find, like, in order to find the side that is the hypotenuse, you just do, you see this right angle, it's like right across from it. That's always your hypotenuse. That's the way I found it. And the reason why I'm doing this is because this one actually forms a right angle, which is easier to work with. So I'm ignoring this other half because all we want to find is this theta over here. So, okay, so we need to know what theta is. And as you know, the cosine of theta is taking an angle and equaling that to the rational, I want to say. I'm using the wrong terminology, but okay. So anyways, in order to find theta, we need to do the inverse cosine. So inverse cosine of 50 over 101 over 2 is equals to theta. Now for this one, we can just simplify what's in the parentheses here. So when I simplify it, it'll be 100 over 101, because 50 divided by 101 over 2, we multiply it, and that's how I get the 100 over 101. So there you go. Now you're going to go into your calculator. Go into your calculator, and I already did this, and in order to get this 8.06, yeah, the rest of those digits, I had to go to mode, and instead of doing it in radians, it's in degree. Make sure you do that, because online they only accept the degree, not so much the radians. So make sure your calculator is in degree mode. And so when you solve for this, you input that in there, and that's your Sag theta. So theta equals to 8.07. I'm just rounding it off to the second decimal. Whoops. So theta equals to 8.07. If your teacher wants it in radians, just change the mode, go to radians, quit out of there, and do this again, and that's your degree in radians. I hope this helped.